Prepare to touch your music. Introducing Tango, a very intelligent controller from the designers of the Smart Console. Tango's combination of features, technology, ergonomics, and quality will blow your mind, but not your budget. Smart AV combines patented ARC technology with a huge 22-inch wide 16:9 touchscreen to produce the most versatile and intuitive workstation controller yet. Each of the 8 channel strips feature dedicated controls with high-quality, well-laid-out components that engineers love to use. Each of the 8 channels has a dedicated 100mm touch-sensitive motorized fader, inject touchpoint, mute button, solo touchpoint and channel encoder, 24 dpi with detents and a push button. Each channel strip extends up into an inline touch surface of screen controls, each dedicated to the task at hand. The Smart Console Expert panel on the left of the console has dedicated automation and ARC modifier controls, as well as grouping, ergonomic spread, solo, and monitoring controls. The console has a built-in mousepad for supplementary workstation control, above which are dedicated transport and locator buttons, a jog wheel with modifier buttons, and dedicated cursor and selection buttons. Parameters such as plugins are automatically assigned to the 16 active encoders to the right of the screen. These are tied to the screen graphics for intuitive control and easy access. As well as these active encoders, there are active controls consisting of a high-resolution smooth feel encoder, active button, and touch-sensitive motorized pot, which can be assigned to any parameter with a simple touch of the screen. Tango accesses the parameters of your host plugins and assigns them to the active encoders and controls. The touchscreen layout is user-definable, and as the system develops, it'll be possible to recall many layouts instantly. For example, screen layouts for general mixing, ADR recording, spotting sound effects, music composition, etc. can be recalled with a single touch of the dedicated screen menus on the leftmost edge of the screen. The physical curved arc of our Smart Console series has been straightened and replaced by this Monarch, a screen-based channel overview display coupled with the touchscreen provides selection and control of up to 240 channels using the patented ARC technology. The Monarch display can even be configured over multiple touchscreens when the Tango extension bay is fitted, or alternatively, it can overlay workstation displays. The Monarch provides a comprehensive overview of all channels, including mute and solo indicators, EQ, aux sends, automation states, and fader levels and grouping, as well as channel metering or group metering for surround. Group metering is up to 12 channels wide, and the components of the group can be displayed at a touch. The Monarch not only provides you with all the mix-related information in your project in an easy overview, but also allows you to move around your mix, placing whichever channels you want in front of you quickly and easily. Once a channel has been assigned to a slot in front of you, adjusting volume, muting, and soloing is instantly performed on the fader panel. The ARC displays the solo and mute states of your tracks. Together with the ARC modifiers, you can even update control parameters of channels on the ARC. A single wipe can mute or solo dozens of tracks this easily. The ARC modifiers can perform other functions also, such as arming tracks for recording or setting their automation state, or interrogating same. The EQ graph on the touchscreen allows you to see the EQ settings of the selected channel with ease. Touching the EQ section of any channel displays the EQ graph, as well as assigning EQ parameters to our 16 active encoders and knobs. The same is true of each channel's compressor settings. Touching a compressor displays its graph and assigns its parameters to the 16 active encoders. At any time, the last parameter tweaked or touched can always be controlled by the active knob, an analog feel motorized pot with end stops. Due to the modular nature of Tango's screen setup, some great features have been developed that go beyond the basic mixer paradigm. An on-screen editor is available at a single touch for super-fast control of editing functions, as you can see here in Nuendo. There's a keyboard display on the 22-inch touchscreen for track naming and other text entries. Editing has never been quicker or easier than using Tango's Edit Panel and Jog Wheel. Tango is an important addition to the Smart Console range and is the first to bring the versatility of touchscreen technology and the power of ARC technology to the audio creative process.